Hello students, today we have to see first chapter of math first, that is linear equations in two variables. Now here first we will see what is linear equation in two variable. Suppose 2x plus 3y minus 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Now this equation contains two variables x and y, and degree of terms which contains variable is 1. Here degree is 1, here is also degree 1. जे दोन व्हेरिएबल असतील टर्मची degree contains variables is 1, then that type of variable is called, that type of equation is called linear equation in two variable. This is example of linear equation in two variable. Now general form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by is equal to plus c is equal to 0. This is called general form of linear equation in two variables, where a, b, c belongs to R, that is they are real numbers, and value of a is not equal to 0, b is not equal to 0. But if a is equal to 0, a ची value 0 झाली तर first term 0 होईल. by plus c is equal to 0 equation येईल. This is linear equation in one variable. Now we have to learn here linear equations in two variables. Therefore a is not equal to 0, also b is not equal to 0. Now next point is simultaneous linear equations in two variables. Means we have to solve two linear equations in two variables. That is solution of simultaneous linear equation in two variable, that is find the values of their variables. त्या इक्वेशन मधील व्हेरिएबलच्या किमती काढणे. Now we have to see examples, practice set 1.1. Now first example, solve the following simultaneous equations. Now first example, 3a plus 5b is equal to 26, and a plus 5b is equal to 22. Now first step is, now here we have to solve these equations, means we have to find values of variables a and b. Now for this, first write down given equations in the form ax plus by is equal to c. दिले इक्वेशन त्या फॉर्म मध्येच आहे म्हणून दिले लक्षात असल्या 3a plus 5b is equal to 26. This is equation number 1. And equation number 2 is a plus 5b is equal to 22. This is equation number 2. Now second step, now let us see whether their coefficients are equal or not. Coefficient of b are equal, both are plus 5. But equal असतील, if their signs are equal, then take subtraction. If their signs are different, then take addition. इथं signs कसे इथं plus आहे. Both signs are equal, therefore take subtraction. Minus. Here 3a minus a is 2a plus 5b minus 5b get cancelled, is equal to 26 minus 22. 26 minus 22 is 4. Therefore value of a is equal to 4 divide by 2. Now dividing by 2, 2. Therefore value of A is 2. Now this is value of A. Now we have to find value of B. Put this equation in equation 1 or 2. If we put this value in equation 2, therefore write down here equation 2 becomes put value of A is 2. 2 plus 5B is equal to 22. Therefore 5B is equal to 22 plus 2 becomes minus 2. 5B is equal to 20. Therefore B is equal to 20 upon 5. Dividing by 5, 4. Therefore B is equal to 4. This is value of B. Therefore write down AB is equal to first write down value of A is 2, 4 is the solution. Now let us see whether our answer is correct or not. आपला आन्सर कसं पाहायचं करेक्ट आहे नाही. If we put value of A is 2 and B is 4 in this any equation of this. Now 3 into A is 2, 3 into 2 6 plus 5 into B is 4, 5 into 4 is 20, 6 plus 20 is 26. Both sides are equal, therefore this satisfies these equations. Therefore AB is equal to 2, 4 is our correct answer. पहिल्या स्टेप लक्षात घ्या. फर्स्ट स्टेप दिलेले एक्झाम्पल ax plus by is equal to c या फॉर्म मध्ये लिहायचे. सेकंड स्टेप त्यांचे कोएफिशिएंट इक्वल आहेत का पाहायचे. इक्वल असतील तर त्यांचे साइन इक्वल आहेत का पहा. साइन इक्वल असतील तर सबट्रॅक्शन, डिफरंट असतील तर ऍडिशन घ्या. त्यावरून आपण सबट्रॅक्शन घेतलं, साइन इक्वल होते. 2a is equal to 4 आलं, therefore a is equal to 2. Now put this value of a in equation 2 or equation 1. Therefore equation 2 becomes a ची value ठेवली 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. Therefore 5b is equal to 22 minus 2. Therefore b is equal to 4. Therefore ab is equal to 2, 4 is our solution. Write down question number 2. Question number 2. X plus 7y is equal to 10. 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. X plus 7y is equal to 10. 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now here also, first step, write down given equation in the form ax plus by is equal to c. त्या फॉर्म मध्येच आहे. Write down this as it is. X plus 7y is equal to 10. This is equation 1. And second equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Equation 2. Now what is the next step? Now see whether their coefficients are equal or not. Equal आहेत का? नाही. If their coefficients are not equal, we have to change. Their coefficient must be equal. Multiplying equation 1 by 3 and equation 2 by coefficient of x is 1. Or we can multiply coefficient 1 by 2, then coefficient 2 by equation 2 by 7. म्हणजे इथं x च्या कोएफिशिएंट ने मल्टिप्लाय केलं तर इथं सुद्धा x च्या कोएफिशिएंट ने मल्टिप्लाय करायचं. Or we can multiplied by coefficients of y. Now taking multiplication, multiplying each term by 3, 3 into x is 3x, plus 3 into 7, 21y is equal to 30, equation number 3. Multiplying each term by 1, 1 into 3x, 3x minus 2y is equal to 1 into 7 is 7, equation number 4. Now in this equation, their coefficients are equal and their sign also equal, therefore we have to take here काय घ्यावं लागेल आपल्याला subtraction. Therefore this is minus. This becomes, this minus 2 is minus minus plus. This term is not minus, this is plus. This is minus. Now plus 3x minus 3x get cancelled. 21 plus 2, that is 23y is equal to 30 minus 7 is 23. Therefore y is equal to 23 upon 23. Dividing by 23, we get value of y is 1. Y ची value काय 1. Now put this value of y in equation 1, 2, 3 or 4. ज्यामध्ये सोपं जाईल त्यामध्ये ठेवा. Now we put value of this in equation 1. Therefore equation 1 becomes, now put value of y in equation 1, that is x plus 7 into value of y is 1 is equal to 10. Therefore x plus 7 into 1 is 7 is equal to 10. X is equal to 10 minus 7. X is equal to 3. Therefore xy is equal to, first write down value of x, that is 3, y is 1, is the solution. Now we have to see whether this is correct or not. If we put value of x is 3, 3 plus 7 into y is 1, 7 into 1 is 7, 3 plus 7 is 10, both sides are equal, therefore this satisfies these equations. Therefore our answer is correct. Thank you.